Hi, hello, good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Welcome back to my class. I am your Kavita Miss from Ideal School. Okay, students, today I am going to teach our first poem, Self Reliance, by Kathleen Jellicato. Okay, students, without wasting our time, let's move on the poet. As you can see on the screen, this is the picture of Kathleen Jellicato. She is a poetess. Poetess means female poet. Okay, she born in Florida, USA. Her passion is writing sonnets. Okay, she planned to publish a book of them to be titled Songs of Buddha. She had been practicing Buddhism for 24 years, students, and it is the essence of all her writing. Okay, her famous poem published are Rosa Parks, Go to the Back, The Mountain, and Dragon's Lair. These all her famous poems. Understood? This is brief introduction about the Kathleen Jellicato. Now let's move on the meanings of this poem. Okay, students, now I'll read the meanings of this poem. All of you follow me. New words: relay, trust or have faith, dominion, territory with one ruler, determine, decide, path, route या course of action, abuse, unkind या cruel words, destiny, fate. Okay, students, before the poem you had one bubble chart. Okay, in this bubble chart is indicating some factors to win in life. Okay, some they have given here, for example self confidence and contentment. These two they have given, and others they left place. You have to fill correct factors which is important to win in life. Those factors you have to fill here. Okay, first factor is self confidence, and second honest work, third one sacrifice, fourth generosity, fifth self satisfaction, sixth contentment, next last one self discernment. Okay, students, let's move to the poem Self Reliance by Kathleen Jellicato. See, students, this poem is for memorization, so I request all students to memorize this poem. Okay, let's move on the poem. First stanza. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions. Students, this poem is a lesson for all those who feel alone or literally alone. And this poem teaches to create self-confidence and self-reliance. Reliance means believeness and confidence. Okay. The poet, she was surrounded by relatives, society, friends, etc. etc. But she realized now, I realize now that I am alone. I means who? Yes, our poetess, Kathleen Jellicato. She realized now that she is alone. Why? What happened in her life? We don't know, but she is telling what she realized now. She is alone. On myself, I must learn to rely. That means I cannot trust on others. She has lot of trust on herself only. Okay. Next, third line. I have to begin to stand on my own. That means she wants to stand on her own. She do not wants to depend on others. Okay. If I fail, I must continue to try. That means in case she failed in life, then she wants to continue. She don't want to stop. Okay, she want to continue. I can ask others for their opinions. That means to take up any decision, she learned not to depend on others, only to depend confidently on herself. Okay, she has to take up her own decisions. Though she may fail initially, she can ask others' opinions about her progress. Okay, students, concentrate on next paragraph. But ultimately, it is I who will decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion. That means, students, she is the ruler of her own life. Okay, so whenever she wants to take decision, she depends on herself. She is not depending on others. Okay, determining which road I will take with pride. That means determine means decide. She will decide which road she wants to choose. She will not depend on others. She will depend on herself, and she will think over that. Afterwards she will decide which road is suitable to her life. Okay, though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take. That means when the poetess neglected others' opinions, the people began to abuse with small words. Yes, obviously. But the poet made up her mind that was her own life, and ultimately she is only one to make her destiny. It's up to me, my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. That means, students, the only thing in her life she trusted upon is being true to herself, which teaches her to stand alone and also how to win through her self confidence. Okay, overall meaning is that our poetess Kathleen Delicato is literally alone. Okay, whenever she wants to take decision, at the time she will depend on herself. She will not depend on others. And in her life, she will give a lot of importance to truthness. Okay, by being a true, how to win life, she knew that. Okay, students, I hope you all understood the poem very well. I'll meet you in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.